Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hashtag on Facebook or how to use the hashtags on Facebook. So to do that, let's first open up our Facebook app and make sure to be logged into the account on which you want to use the hashtags. And now guys, you will only be able to use the hashtags on your comment or your post. So basically we'll be using the hashtags more often on the post. So let's go with the post. And the basic work of hashtag is to categorize your post or your video or your photo with the trending videos or which are in your category. Suppose if I upload a video of anything tech related to tech and I write the title of the video is related to tech. So basically the hashtags we will be using according to the video will be tech video. And you can see guys, the tech video is the hashtag is available on Facebook, so it legitimates our hashtag. So guys, you can also create your own hashtags if you are creating your own content in a massive scale and you are focusing on just your content, which will categorize your content's hashtags. And it can also be related with your name. And with that being said guys, another one hashtag we can use for this video is technology. So guys, these hashtags categorize your videos and Facebook knows that your video is related to tech videos and technology, and YouTube and Facebook will boost your videos onto those personnel who are watching tech videos and technology videos on Facebook, sort of. And with that being said guys, this is how you use hashtags on Facebook. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.